how to create a poll in WhatsApp channel. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can create a poll in WhatsApp channel. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First step is open up your WhatsApp. Make sure that you have the updated version of WhatsApp. And after you open up your WhatsApp, you'll need to head over to the bottom left corner on the updates section. After you're there, tap on your channel and open it up. So right here on your channel, what you'll need to do is tap on the plus icon on the bottom left corner. After you tap on it, you'll get three options. You will need to tap on poll. After you tap on poll, all you have to do is ask a question first. So you can ask whatever you want. And after you do that, add the options. So you can add more options as you go along the way. And yeah, you can do that. And after that, after you've added all the options, here if you want to allow multiple answers, you can toggle this button on or toggle this button off. Then tap on send. After doing this, you'll have created your poll in your WhatsApp channel. And it's that simple. Thanks for watching guys. That is all for today's video. Stay tuned for more and bye-bye.